Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have a 2004 Honda Odyssey, and we will be removing this driver's seat, and I will show you where to remove the pieces and unbolt the screws. So first, you start on the rear. There's this plastic piece that you need to try to pry open, and so you use a flathead and you try to pull it on the sides. That's one way, and then there's actually two clips in the middle and two clips on the edge of this plastic piece underneath. And you need to remove this plastic piece so that you can expose the bolts that you need to unscrew. And so yeah, you can pop it off like this, and then once that's gone, you can see there are like these kind of goldish bolts right there on the left and right. And in here, I'm going to show you where the tabs are on this plastic piece, so you know where to kind of pry. Gently pry the best you can. Just, you know, it'll pop out like that. And so that's how it sits. So there's four of them. There's the two in the middle and then the two on the edge. And then that's how it sits. And then you just pull it off and it shows the bolts. So what you need is a 14mm socket, and then you can pull out the bolt. Now in the front, there's a plastic piece on both sides, on the left and right. And it was hard to record with it being so close, so that's how it looks like when you pull out that piece, and there's a bolt right underneath right there. And then on the other side, let's see if we can show it. It's a little hard to film because it's so tight, but there's the other bolt. So there's two plastic pieces that you take off and you unbolt those two nuts. And then once you are able to get all those four bolts, you should be able to pull it off. But what we found out, that there was like a cable that was connecting to the electric, the seat kind of movement. And so there were actually two cables right here, and there's a connector right there, and we're trying to remove it, but it's a little difficult by hand. Some people can do it. You can pop it off. It's one of those connectors that you've seen in the cars. And there's a yellow wire right here too. So it powers all the stuff that's on the chair. So we decided to use a flathead. You know, you gently try to pry on the tab, and you should be able to pop off the connectors. There's a lot of different ways of doing it. This is the way that we did, and we just took a little flathead and then just kind of try to pry on the tab. And it kind of, you know, you got to work at it a little bit. And then it should come out. It was close. There we go. We got that connector. And then the yellow one up here, you need to disconnect too. So you just kind of pry on the tab. Do your best to gently. You don't want to break the tab, but there you go. And then we found out that there was a zip tie that you need to cut. So you should be able to see it. It's hard to go underneath and show it, but he can see that there was a zip tie that you need to cut to release that cable. So that's how you can, you know, you need to get it. And that's how it looks like when you pull the cable out and the chair is ready to be pulled out of the van for whatever repairs you need to do. Now, this is how the chair looks like outside of the van. Excuse the plastic, it was broken. We will have to fix that on the side of that chair. There was a couple of things we needed to work on, but, you know, it might be different for you guys. And here's the underside of the chair for you guys to kind of see all the little motors, but that's what we have.